YouTube fam, thank you for checking in over here at Sweet Thumb. So we out here in the lab, we out here in the Sweet Thumb Grow Lab, and basically what we're doing is we're checking in on the Planter Garden Herb Grow Challenge for 2024. That's hashtag Planter HGC 2024, right? And basically what's going on is 10 herbs. You grow 10 herbs and you basically let everybody know the process and the progress over a few months. And that's the challenge. I mean, man, it's pretty simple. You know, a few simple rules, but grow your herbs, let everybody know what's up. Like, it's not about winning, it's not about competing, it's about showing your process, your progress, and letting people know, hey, this can be done. It's not that hard, man. And even if you find some difficulties, look, we all go through it. And that's what I think it's really all about, right? It's just getting us all to grow as gardeners, grow as people, and just move this thing forward. And so what I want to do is I want to show you guys the herbs that I'm growing. And, you know, I have a decent selection of herbs that I can choose from, some weird stuff, which is what I tend to lean into. But, man, it's not about me. You know, I was in this live, right? And I don't even remember exactly the details, but I won something, right? I was like on a winning streak. Boy, was I for a minute. You know, I was winning a lot of stuff, right? And I won 10 herbs from Salon Diva, right? If you haven't been over to her channel, go out and check out Salon Diva, right? She has these really cool, very informative lives that she does. And it's just, you know, various trivias and that kind of stuff. And man, it's actually really entertaining. And your boy won. And I got like, boom, the thing that I really can use, like the thing that I can really, you know, put out there. And so that's the 10 herbs I'm growing. And to be honest with you guys, man, you know, I saw the first 2 herbs and I kind of looked it up a little bit and I forgot about it. And so I have no idea, like really no idea exactly what herbs I'm going to be growing. And so we'll take a look at them right now, right? So these are the herbs I'm growing for the challenge. So let's take a look at it. First of all, that thing right there. That one right there. Oh, no. But yeah, I'm actually doing pretty well with lavender this year. So when I see these seeds, I'm just like, yo, don't mess up my winning streak, right? And cilantro. I haven't opened this package yet, y'all. And so I'm seeing these first 2, and I'm like, lavender, hard to grow for many people, but I'm having some good luck. Let's keep that streak going. Cilantro, man, I liked cilantro for a while, right? Till I grew my own, and fam, that cilantro came out strong. It was strong. And so I was like, man, I don't know about cilantro. But guess what, fam? We are going cilantro over here in the Sweet Thumb Lab. And let's bust this thing open, right? So I have my my trusty non-violent, super friendly, you know, scissors. And basically, fam, we're gonna cut this package open and see what else we're working with. Right? Let's see what else we're working with this Planter Garden TV herb challenge. Like, might be a rough one. Might be some rough ones in here, right? But we're about to find out together, fam. We're about to find out together. So cilantro and lavender are the first herbs. So we can rip those 2 off. Like lavender, cilantro. Wait a minute. These should be easy. These 2 should be easy, right? Parsley, chives. Parsley and chives. Parsley grows, nobody's business. Chives grows, nobody's business. Even though I think I killed my chives. Well, I think my chives died. I didn't kill them. Cold got them. Dead. Okay, so parsley and chives. No big deal. Uh-oh. Basil. Thai basil, and man, don't make me say that. Genovese. Is that Genovese? Yeah. So 2 different types of basil in the package, right? So we're growing 2 different types of basil for the planter garden herb challenge, right? And dill and sage. So first of all, let's talk about these 2. Let's talk about these 2 for just a second. Dill, I need to grow. Man, my dill burnt straight up with everything else. It looks so great and then burn up. Sage is a survivor. Sage, you cannot, man, once sage takes it on, I don't know how to kill it. Like, this stuff survived the heat, it survived the cold, and so I'm glad to grow sage. Dill, I'm gonna need to harvest this pretty quick, right? Need to harvest that pretty quick. But that's 2 great herbs, right? And so thyme and oregano, almost the same story, right? Almost the same story. Thyme will die. Oregano lives on, right? I don't know what goes on with this thyme, but man, it'll be healthy, looking great, and all of a sudden just down the tubes, right? Oregano, I have 2, 3. I think I have 2 or 3 oregano plants out there, and man, green heat, green winter, nothing touched that oregano, man. So that yeah, great herbs to grow for this challenge. I'm really happy about these herbs. And so basically, man, y'all, that's my 10 herbs. Lavender, cilantro, parsley, chives, 2 different types of basil, dill, sage, thyme, and oregano. And those came from Salon Diva. And that's what I'm going to be entering into the hashtag Planter HGC 2024. Thank you guys for checking in over here at Sweet Thumb.